Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55 in New Madrid County, Missouri, beginning at mile 53. We're quickly approaching sunset, and at the end of this video we'll still be 100 miles from our destination. We had booked a hotel for the night in advance, fearing that we wouldn't be able to just walk into a hotel on Independence Day weekend. Unfortunately, we were delayed enough in Memphis that we started to run out of daylight. So this video was filmed later in the day than we like to film, as were the next 4 upcoming videos. It wasn't a total loss. I was able to make some adjustments to the exposure of the video, and we still were able to achieve our goal of clinching I-55 and putting the whole thing on YouTube. But please excuse the less than ideal lighting conditions. Exit 58 leads to the cities of Matthews to the west and East Prairie to the east. Matthews was founded in 1903 and named for C.D. Matthews, a pioneer citizen. The city had an estimated population of 595 as of 2019. East Prairie is a bit larger with an estimated population of 2,941 as of 2019. The city lies on the eastern portion of a lowland area that extends from the Ozark Plateau to the Mississippi River, hence the name East Prairie. East Prairie is the host of the Tour de Corn bicycle ride each summer during the town's Sweet Corn Festival that attracts cyclists from many surrounding states and raises money for local charities. Significant portions of the 1961 film The Intruder, starring William Shatner, were filmed in East Prairie. We enter the city of Sikeston, which spans New Madrid and Scott counties. The city has a population of 16,291 as of the 2020 census. At exit 66A, we see a cloverleaf interchange that connects I-55 to I-57 and US Highway 60. This is the southern terminus of I-57, which provides a more direct route to Chicago, Illinois. We enter Scott County, still in the city limits of Sikeston. Scott County has a population of 38,059 as of the 2020 census. Then we immediately enter the city of Minor, which spans Scott and Mississippi County just to the east. Minor had an estimated population of 934 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude our video at mile marker 77. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.